welcome to another unboxing. This will be an unboxing of the Samson Go Mic Mobile. I purchased this in the hopes of improving the overall production quality of the videos I make on this channel and another channel I also make videos for. So without further ado, go ahead and start the unboxing here. I did buy this at Best Buy. There is a small label down there that says only at Best Buy. But one of the main reasons I chose to go this route with essentially almost a lapel mic is it's designed to be mobile, as is stated in the name, and it's got various types of connectors. You can connect it to your iPhone, your iPad, your Android device. It even has a USB Type-C, so definitely seems to have the ability to be used on multiple different types of devices. So I don't expect this packaging to be too terribly extravagant, given that it is Best Buy only product. However, thus far, I wasn't aware it came in this nice travel case. Alright, well, I am pleasantly surprised by this. Excellent. Alright, there's our various adapters and cords. Here's the actual mic itself. UK power plug adapter. Probably not going to need that, although if there's the space in here, might as well. Interesting. Well, based on the shape of this, the shape of the case, the internals, it seems that you could also fit a standard microphone in here, handheld. Not that I really anticipate picking one up, but the case seems to have multiple uses. Chances are this isn't the only setup you can buy that utilizes this case. This is the Go Mic Mobile receiver, which you can see actually expands, so you can put your phone. Alright, so you can actually attach this to the back of your phone. So I don't use my phone anymore for videography, at least for this, so I don't really anticipate utilizing that function, but nonetheless, there's the Go Mic Mobile. The microphone actually connects to this unit and then wirelessly transmits the signal over here and then into whatever device you have this plugged into. Actual power brick for the wall, various different types of tripod mounting hardware, along with the smallest Phillips head screwdriver I've ever seen. So, like I said, we have the Go Mic Mobile receiver, which, even though I already talked about it, I guess a demonstration would be optimal. And this way now you can attach this to your phone. Doesn't interfere with the viewing angle, the viewing angle of the camera, while still allowing you to plug this into your phone and have an external audio source. So not definitely convenient. I'd considered one of the desktop microphones. However, I move around quite a bit. Sometimes I like to make these videos on the go. So I figured probably something with a more mobile solution would be best. Transmitter. Our North America wall plug. Yeah. Set that aside. There's that. Microphone I'm going to leave in the bag for now. Tripod mounting hardware. Miscellaneous. And our various types of cords that plug in from the mobile receiver into the device. Actually, I guess I'll go through them real quick. One last portion of the video. So we have mini USB to mini USB or micro. I'm not an Android user. This is a cord I don't use commonly unless it's to charge some of my devices, but it's not something I go looking for. Lightning cable, auxiliary cord, USB-C, which is what I'll be using most of the time, and then USB 2.0 to, 2.0 to, this is micro USB, where I've switched it around. I'm sure somebody will correct me. Anyway, that's the basics of it. I'm going to set it up here shortly, hopefully have a new video out here that utilizes this, this microphone set. Thank you for watching.